Long ago, in a small mountain village, there lived a young blacksmith cat named Leon.
很久以前，在一座山村里，住着一只年轻的铁匠猫，名叫莲。
Long ago, in a small mountain village, there lived a young blacksmith cat named Leon. Every day, Leon practiced forging swords from dawn to dusk.
每天从早到晚，莲都在练习打造长剑。
Every day, Leon practiced forging swords from dawn to dusk. His hammer rang through the valley like music.
他的铁锤声回荡在山谷中，像音乐一样。
His hammer rang through the valley like music, but no matter how hard he tried, his swords were never perfect.
然而，不管他多努力，他的剑总是不够完美。
But no matter how hard he tried, his swords were never perfect. Some villagers laughed, saying, "Why waste 10 years on one sword?"
村民们笑着说：“为什么要花10年去磨一把剑？”
Some villagers laughed, saying, "Why waste 10 years on one sword?" Leon simply smiled and said, "Rome wasn't built in a day."
莲只是笑着回答：“罗马不是一天造成的。”
Leon simply smiled and said, "Rome wasn't built in a day." He knew that good things take time.
他知道好事需要时间。
He knew that good things take time. Through summer heat and winter snow, he never gave up.
不论酷暑或寒冬，他都从不放弃。
Through summer heat and winter snow, he never gave up. His fur turned gray, and his paws grew rough from work.
他的毛变得灰白，爪子也因锻造而变得粗糙。
His fur turned gray, and his paws grew rough from work. Finally, on the 10th year, sparks danced brighter than ever on his forge.
终于，在第10年，火花比以往任何时候都闪耀。
Finally, on the 10th year, sparks danced brighter than ever on his forge. He lifted his new sword, sharp, shining, and perfectly balanced.
他举起那把新剑，锋利、闪亮、完美无缺。
He lifted his new sword, sharp, shining, and perfectly balanced. When he swung it, the sound was pure and clear like wind through bamboo.
他挥剑时，剑鸣清脆，如风穿竹林。
When he swung it, the sound was pure and clear like wind through bamboo. The villagers were amazed. It was worth the wait, they said.
村民们惊叹道：“这真值得等待。”
The villagers were amazed. It was worth the wait, they said. Leon smiled and whispered, 10 years to sharpen one sword.
莲微笑着低语：“10年磨一剑。”
Leon smiled and whispered, 10 years to sharpen one sword. And from that day on, everyone in the village remembered, good things take time.
从那天起，全村的人都记住了，好事总需要时间。
And from that day on, everyone in the village remembered, good things take time.